Hi! In front of me is TCL Tab 10s, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off adaptive brightness on this tablet. First of all, go into Settings and tap on Display section right away. Now you need to click on this switcher next to Adaptive Brightness feature, and as you can see, Auto Brightness is now on. If you wish to turn it off, just click on the same switcher. You can always go into Tab menu as well and click on this A icon next to Brightness slider. If it's blue, that means that Auto Brightness is on. If you wish to turn it off, just click on the same icon. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!